You're a content provider and you're preparing for tax season. At the beginning of every year, Amazon issues tax forms required by the U.S. taxing authority called the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS. If you're a U.S. author or publisher who earned more than $10 in royalties during the calendar year, we'll issue Form 1099 MISC yearly on or before January 31st, or the following business day if January 31st falls on a weekend or legal holiday. If you're an author or publisher who resides outside the U.S. and were paid more than 49 cents in U.S. source royalties last year, we'll issue Form 1042S yearly on or before March 15th, or the following business day if March 15th falls on a weekend or legal holiday. Just keep in mind, reportable payments are rounded to the nearest whole dollar. So how do you know if your tax forms are ready? We'll send an email to the email address on your account. This email lets you know that the tax forms are available for download and includes instructions on how to access the forms. If you're a U.S. publisher with multiple independent publishing accounts, wherever possible, your reported royalties will be consolidated on one form. You only need to access one account and download one form since all the forms are the same. If you're outside the U.S., you'll need to download a form for each business. You can access all forms from Amazon Tax Central. To securely download your forms, go to taxcentral.amazon.com and use your KDP account sign-in and password. Click View, Edit, then click Find Forms. It may take a few moments to pull up your forms, and when they appear, click the download link. This will open up your form as a PDF. From here, you can save it to your computer or print it. If you have separate forms for each multiple business, you can follow the same process to access each form. If you don't have any tax forms or they aren't available yet, you'll see a message explaining this when you click on the Find Forms button. If you opted for paper delivery, the forms are mailed on or before the dates listed, and depending on where you live, forms may take up to 2 weeks to arrive. Regardless of your delivery preference, you'll be able to access your tax forms online once they're available. If you haven't already, you can choose to go paperless by clicking the yellow Go Paperless button. Once we've notified you your tax forms are available, you can click Find Forms. You can also download your forms through your KDP account. Click Your Account in the top right corner of the page, complete the two-step verification, and then under Tax Information, click View Provide Tax Information. In the End of the Year Tax Forms section, click Find Forms, and then click on the download link. Click Exit to return to the main page. Remember that KDP is not able to provide you with tax advice, including what to do with your tax forms when they arrive. If you have questions about how to file your taxes, we recommend you consult a qualified tax professional. Happy publishing!